Have you ever felt like something is constantly holding you back? Today, I'm going to share 3 techniques that will help remove obstacles and make your path to success a reality. The third technique is the most powerful. It brings together everything we'll discuss and works on a subconscious level, creating a strong foundation for change. So stay tuned until the end to learn all the secrets. Letting go of negative thinking isn't as hard as it seems. The key is to understand that you can't just get rid of a bad habit. You need to replace it with a good one. Negative thinking is like any other habit. It can and should be replaced with something positive. We'll be releasing many videos in the future on how to change habits. But for now, remember, negativity needs to be replaced with positivity. Learn to find something good, even in bad situations. Let me tell you an old parable to help you understand that nothing is inherently good or bad. It's our attitude toward it that matters. Once upon a time, there was a farmer in a village who had an only son. One day, a wild horse wandered into their field. The farmer and his son caught it, and the whole village came to congratulate them on their good fortune. "You're such a lucky man," the neighbors said. "Now you have your very own horse." But the old man just shrugged and said, "Good fortune? Who knows?" A little later, the son decided to break in the horse, but it was strong, threw him off, and he broke his leg. The neighbors came again. "What bad luck, your son can't work now." The farmer replied, "Bad luck? Who knows?" A few days later, soldiers came to the village. A war had started, and all the young men were drafted into the army. But the farmer's son was left at home because of his broken leg. Think about how many times in your life something seemed like good or bad luck. But over time, the significance of those events changed. As Shakespeare said, "There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so." The fake it till you make it method involves acting as if you've already achieved your goals. Let me share a story about a young man from a poor family who dreamed of fame and success since childhood. Every morning, he woke up thinking about his future. He envisioned himself as a champion, an actor, a famous person. All his actions were directed toward becoming the person he envisioned in his dreams. He often told himself and others, "It's all in my mind already. I see myself as successful and famous, and I live that way every day." His friends said he was living in a dream, but he continued to act as if his dreams had already become reality. Years passed, and his confidence, persistence, and self-belief led him to global success. This young man became one of the greatest bodybuilders in the world, then conquered Hollywood and became a world-famous actor. If you haven't guessed yet, I'm talking about Arnold Schwarzenegger. He always believed that success begins in the mind. Thanks to this belief, he was able to change his life and achieve worldwide recognition. The essence of the method is simple. Imagine yourself in the future when you've already achieved your goal. How do you look? How do you behave? What do you say? What are your habits and beliefs? Then start acting as if you're already that future person. Start in your mind, and gradually it will begin to manifest in your life. And even if at first it feels like you're just playing a role, don't worry, it still works. Finally, the third technique that unites and amplifies the first 2 is the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that help change your thinking. Their goal is to replace negative thoughts with positive ones and strengthen your confidence. Instead of thoughts like, "I can't succeed," you can tell yourself, "I am capable of success and deserve it." Many successful people have achieved their goals thanks to this method. For example, before an important meeting, you can say to yourself, "I am confident and ready for success." This will help you get into the right mindset. When we repeat positive statements, our brains start to perceive them as reality. Consistent use of affirmations helps you maintain a positive attitude, reduce stress and anxiety, strengthen self-confidence, and stay motivated on the path to your goals. You can use affirmations for different areas of life. For confidence, "I am confident in my abilities and deserve success." For health, "My body is strong and healthy, and I take care of it every day." For financial well-being, "I attract financial abundance and successful opportunities." How do you use affirmations? Repeat them every day, morning or evening when your brain is especially receptive. Write them down to reinforce them in your mind. Say them with emotion. feeling that it's already your reality. Affirmations help reprogram your subconscious, eliminate negativity, and start creating a new, positive reality. We will definitely make a separate video about affirmations, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. Want to learn how the abundance mentality is explained by science? Then be sure to watch our next video. You'll be amazed at what you'll discover.